So hi and welcome to this video. Today what we're going to be doing is we're going to be learning how to send SMS messages using PHP. Before we get started, I'm just also going to say that I'm not using the local host using XAMPP. I'm not using XAMPP, I'm using my actual server, and that's because for this to work you need to have curl installed on your computer or the server you want to host it off, and my computer doesn't have it because XAMPP doesn't come with it. My actual web server does have curl, so I can use it off there. But if you don't worry about curl, because most web hosts actually come with it, even if they're free web hosts or shared web hosts that cost money. But if you go and sign up to DigitalOcean and you choose an Ubuntu VPS server, you have to choose. There's like loads of different options, and there's an Ubuntu option. As long as you choose that, you should be okay, and you should have a curl installed on your computer as well. Let's get started. Today we're going to be we're going to be using a website called Clockwork. It's actually an SMS gateway, and what an SMS gateway is just allows you to send text messages to mobile phones over the internet. If I go over to Clockwork here, you have to actually create an account. So I'm just going to log out. I'm just going to Clockwork. I'll probably have to put in SMS gateway. So here's Clockwork SMS. The reason we're using this is because the messages are cheap to send, and it's really easy to actually do. What you're going to want to do is you're going to go to sign up, and you want to just create an account. So once you've created an account, you obviously just want to log in, and here's your account. It actually should come with 10p of credit, but mine comes with 5p because I tested it out earlier. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to sending, and you want to go to from address, and you want to put in who the sender you want to be of the message, so that when the person receives the message, you want this will be the sort of the name of the person who it shows up as. So you can put in your own name or whatever, and then that means any message you sent from Clockwork would have your name as the sender. So I just put in highcode because obviously since it's coming from highcode.org, we wanted to say highcode. Then you'll get an API key automatically when you start create your account. So here's my API key. We need to keep that because we need to use that whenever we're creating our script. And that's basically everything I need to go over at the start. So now we're basically ready to actually start writing the code. Okay, so there's actually one more thing we need to do. We need to go back to Clockwork, and we need to get the Clockwork PHP wrapper. So you just want to go to this website. I've just pasted it in. You'll probably be able to find it by just going to Clockwork SMS and typing in Clockwork SMS PHP wrapper in Google. But I'll just show you how I got to that. You just go down here, click on documentation. Then you go to code wrappers, and you click on PHP wrapper. And then you just click download PHP wrapper. And this, you just click download zip, and that'll let you download the PHP wrapper. So once you have the PHP wrapper downloaded, you want to open it up. So here it is here. Here's the extracted version. What we want to do is we just want to copy class clockwork.php and class clockwork exception.php. Just want to copy them. And as you see here, I've already pasted them in, but that doesn't matter. Just paste them in here in your directory, and then you're ready to actually start going. So then what you want to do is you want to actually use the PHP tags and create your script. It's really easy. It'll only take about a minute really to write. So the first thing that you want to do is you want to create a variable called API key. I want to set that equal to the API key we get from Clockwork. So I just have to go back to Clockwork SMS. And I want to relog in again. Then I want to go to API keys, and I want to copy my API key. Then what we want to do is we want to actually require the Clockwork class. So we probably want to do that at the top actually. So just put in require class clockwork.php, and that's just the file in here. That's just this file. We don't need to worry about this file because this file, clockwork or class clockwork exception, is actually included inside of class clockwork.php, so we don't need to worry about that. Then what we want to do is we want to create a new instance of the clockwork object. So we just want to create a new clockwork object. So we want to create a variable called clockwork or whatever you want, and we're going to set it equal to new clockwork. And then we just want to set in here, we just want to paste in, not paste in, we want to put in the API key. Then what we want to do is we want to create an array. So let's go over here and create an array, and we're going to call it message. And we're just going to set this, we actually need to set this equal to an array. This is so easy, it's just exactly what was on the clockwork documentation. The first one we want to set 2, and we want to assign that equal to the number we want to actually send the text message to. So I actually obviously have to put in my number. So I'm obviously going to fade this out, so that way obviously I don't want my number all over the internet. So I'm going to put my number in, and also you have to put in the area code as well to make sure that it works. Okay, so I've just put my number in, so just make sure you put your own number in, and just make sure that, well, that's basically, just make sure you put your number in, you may put it in correctly with the area code at the start. Then what we want to do is, we actually want to change that to single quotes. Then what we want to say is we want to put a comma, and we want to say message, and we want to set that equal to, and this is obviously just a message we want to send, so I'm just going to say this is a text message from highcode.org. And that's almost it. There's only one more thing to do. We just want to create a variable. We can call it whatever we want. We'll just say, I don't know, done equals clockwork, and then a minus sign, and then an arrow, which just means we're using the clockwork object and we're getting a class from it. So in our case, it's send. And then we just want to say, we actually want to change this, it's actually not that, we have to change this to a variable called clockwork, which is our instance of the clockwork API. So, the clockwork object. So then we want to say in here is just message, so this sends our message. So now I'm going to I'm going to upload this script to the server. So I just want to come over here and I want to upload all these files. And I'll be back when they're done. Okay, so now those files have been uploaded, I just want to refresh the directory, and as you'll see, whenever it refreshes, it's a bit slow, I don't know why. Okay, we have a problem with that. Let's just go over to the folder, and let's say did it upload. So as you can see, our files did upload, and now I'm going to go to my phone, and I'm going to put it on the screen so that everybody can see that the message actually gets sent and received. So okay, I've got my phone up, so I'll just turn it off for now. So I'm just going to click on index.php. This will run the script. It takes a couple of seconds because it's obviously got, it has to communicate with the clockwork server and everything, as well as just the regular highcode one. As you can see, it loaded with no errors or no problems or whatever. And as you can see, our message shows up on my phone. If I just open it up, you can see it says this is a test message from highcode.org. So that's it for this video. Whoops, that's it for this video. Don't forget to like, comment, favorite, and subscribe. I hope you enjoyed it. And also, if there's anything else you want to learn, if you want to see a more in-depth video about how this actually works without using the simple wrappers and things from Clockwork or another SMS gateway, just let me know and I'll make a video about it. So that's it for this video. Again, as I said, don't forget to like, comment, favorite, and subscribe, and thanks for watching.